friends, myself Adhyan. Today I am going to teach you how to make this thing. This is a shooting rope what some spies use it for climbing. I will show you how it works. It just works like a web shooter, but for this you would need something else. I will show you the demo one more. I will show now. I didn't throw it straight again. I can show you because for making this it took me 1 hour I think. See this. You saw it just hanged out. So for making this you would need one very big thread and one black pens this cap, and you have to put a spring inside this. And now let me tell you how to make this. First you have seen that I have tied this thread in this pen cap, and then this is crossing and then it's coming till here. You have to do the same. Put the thread like this, put the spring, and then it will get ready, and you just see how it works. And then put this by this side, and then hold it, and then if you want to let it go, then leave this. See, it got very fast. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it, like it, don't forget to share it to your friends. So till that time, thank you.